Every year, on July 16, thousands of pilgrims gather at Sodo, Haiti, to celebrate the feast of Our Lady of Mount Carmel. For many Haitian voodoo practitioners, this sacred day is also associated through religious syncretism with ԵZILI Dantò, the law of motherhood, protection, justice, and resilience. During the colonial era, enslaved Africans preserved their spiritual traditions by honoring the law through the images of Catholic saints. This historical process gave rise to the connection between Our Lady of Mont Carmel and ЄZILI Dantò, not because they are the same spiritual being, but because syncretism became a powerful means of preserving faith under oppression. For Vodouists, July 16 is a day of prayer, gratitude, renewal, and remembrance. Pilgrims travel to Sodo to seek healing, give thanks, fulfill spiritual promises, and reconnect with their ancestors and the sacred. More than a religious celebration, Sodo stands as a symbol of Haiti history, cultural resilience, and enduring spirituality. It reminds us that faith can survive adversity and that honoring one's heritage is also an act of preserving identity. Happy Feast Day to Our Lady of Mont Carmel and to all who honor ЄZILI Dantò with faith, dignity, and respect. Aïe Bobo from Mambo Capable.